I use the Squarespace announcement bar across a ton of different client websites, and I use it on my own. Now, I went to show this to a client recently, and I was going to send them a YouTube video that I'd done. And then I realized I hadn't actually done one. So this is that video. If you want to add an announcement bar to your Squarespace site, this is how you do it. So let's get into it. So here we have our site. What we need to do first of all is head down into marketing. In marketing, we're going to look for marketing tools and click on this. Then all we need to do is click on announcement bar. This is where we can select enable announcement bar, and you're going to see that bar across the top. So you can add your announcements in here, blah, 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 whatever you want to put. Then you can, make it bold, italicized, underlined. You can add a link in there if you want a link directly to somewhere, either be it on your site with a / or an external URL. So put google.com in, open that up in a new tab. You can also clear the formatting if you wish. And then you can also add a bullet point or a number list in here. Now, I don't know why you would add some crazy number list in there, but you can do that. And I believe, actually, that might be a new feature. Not sure, but I haven't seen that before. Anyway, you can add that in, and if you want to make the whole thing clickable, so it's just go back like so. We'll get rid of this. If you want to make the whole thing clickable, you can just add your URL in there. So google.com, make sure that opens up in a new window. Once you're happy with that, you hit save and you are done. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.